Hello students, welcome to my channel Love to Learn with Jatendra Pradhan. First of all, I request you to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. Okay guys? Today our topic is rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is found in poems. And you know, poem is totally different from prose. Prose is written through paragraphs, and within a paragraph you can get many sentences. On the other hand, a poem is written through stanzas, and a stanza has many lines. जहाँ को हम ओडिया रे कहवा पैराग्राफ माने अनुच्छेद अनुच्छेद माध्यम रे प्रोज को लिखा जाए एवं स्टांजा अर्थात पद माध्यम रे गीत को लिखा जाए. And you must know, in a prose, all the sentences begin with a capital letter. Likewise, in a poem, all the lines begin with a capital letter. Okay? So, to understand it perfectly, what is rhyme scheme, we can divide it into three parts. First, what is it? Second, how to find it, and third, how to write it. Okay? Then, what is rhyme scheme? The first part. A rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the end of each line in a song or poem. Simply, if you mark the ending words in a stanza, if they sound similar, it means they rhyme with each other. Okay? For example, in a stanza of 4 lines, if the ending words are look, stand, book, hand, these are the ending words. Here, in the first line, the word look sounds like book and stand sounds like hand. So, they rhyme with each other. Okay? Rhyme जहाँ को हमें ओडिया रे जति जतिपात कहूँ शेष शब्दटी गोटे लाइन रो शेष शब्दटी आ गोटे लाइन रो शेष शब्द सहित से साउंड से भलिया होची ताको हमें जतिपात कहूँ जेमति कि हमर आहे दयामय विश्व बिहारी घेन दया बही मोर गुहारी एठारे बिहारी आ गुहारी ये जति पडुची अब याको हम जतिपात कहूँ सेटा को हम इंग्रजी राइम स्कीम कहूँ. There are many different types of rhyme that poets use in their works, such as internal rhyme, identical rhyme, I rhyme, slant rhyme, and many more. And again, alternate rhyme, enclosed rhyme, mono rhyme, couplet, triplet, etc. जेमिति कि हम ओडिया रे कोडा दीटी पादरे एक पद होची कोडा चारि पादरे एक पद होची कोडा छ पादरे एक पद होची. It's up to the poet. They use it according to their own choice. Okay? जेमिति कि हमें ओडिया भागवत रे हमर पढिछु गोविंद 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 पदुगलुछि मकरंद. एथरे दीटी लाइन माने इंग्लिश जोटा लाइन हमर दीटी पादरे गोटे पद होइछि एवं गोविंद सहित लास्ट वर्ड जोटा मकरंद ता संगे से राइम करछि बा जति पडुछि. जेमिति कि गंगाधर मेहर को हमें जीवा मंगले अइला उषा बिकचरा जीव दृशा जानकी दर्शन तृषा हृदये बहि कर पल्लवे निहार मुक्ता धरी उपहार सतींक बास बाहार प्रागणे रही कल कंठ कंठे कहिला उठ सती राजा राणी राती पाहिला एठारे चारि पादरे एक पद होईछि आउ रही सहित बही एवं कहिला सहित पाहिला ये राइम होछि बा जति पडुछि नेक्स्ट कम टू द सेकंड पार्ट हाउ टू फाइंड इट आमे किबोली भाबे को पाइबा को प्रकार व्हाट टाइप ऑफ राइम स्कीम इज ओके लेट्स टेक a stanza twinkle twinkle little star the any word here in the first line is star twinkle twinkle little star then in the second line how I wonder what you are the third line is up above the world so high and the last line fourth line is like a diamond in the sky to find the rhyme scheme you take the first line as A okay and now look the word star sounds like R sounds like the word R and so it is also A then after A comes B and high sounds like B sounds like high and sky they rhyme with each other so the rhyme scheme is here A B B okay now take a stanza from your syllabus from the poem Daffodils which has been written by the great poet William Wordsworth we have to find the rhyme scheme of this stanza the first stanza the first line I wander lonely as a cloud here is the ending word of the first line is cloud okay that floats on high over vales and hills it's the ending word of second line when all at once I saw a crowd the ending word of third line when all at once I saw a crowd a host of golden daffodils it's the ending word of fourth line beside the lake beneath the trees is the ending word of fifth line and fluttering and dancing in the breeze so these are the ending words it is the first line को नहीं जानतु ए आकार वर्तमान देखंतु ए क्लाउड जो एंडिंग वर्ड कहा सहित से सिमिलर साउंड करछि वर्तमान क्राउड जोटा थर्ड लाइन रे अछि ताको मध्ये हमें नेबा ए आकार ओके देन आउ सेमती सेबळे वर्ड अछि कि नाइन तापरे हमें नेबा ए परे बी हिल्स आसिला बी हिल्स राइम करछि डैफोडिल्स सहित से भी हिजबो बी वर्तमान देखिबा आउ अछि कि सेमती वर्ड नाइन तापरे आसीबो सी ट्रीज ट्रीज ब्रिज सहित सिमिलर साउंड करछि राइम करछि ये हे गेला ए बी सी सी तो राइम स्कीम ऑफ daffodils is A B C C okay now come to the third part how to write it how to write it if we have to write the rhyme scheme of twinkle twinkle little star how you wonder what you are then up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky the rhyme scheme is here A B B so we have to write like A B B or A B B like this Okay, from daffodils, the rhyme scheme is A B A B C C. How to write? We have to write like this: A B A B C C. A B A B C C. Okay, guys. So now you try to find out the rhyme scheme of other poems in your book. But remember, many poems are there which have been written in pre-verse style also, and also in non-rhyming structure. But you can get rhyme scheme in most poems. So, okay, try it. Students, आज आम जानिले राइम स्कीम विषय रे जदि वीडियो भल लगिला ताले यू गो टू द कमेंट बॉक्स एवं निजर मतामत लिखंतु आमको जणांतु एवं आपन सांग साथी और स्टूडेंट्स मन को ये वीडियो डी बहुत परिमाण रे बहुत मात्रा रे शेयर करंतु। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल।